And this is known as the hook. This is the bit that catches you and makes you want to watch my video. Only this is the good bit. This is the pleasure, but you have to watch the pain first. Hey, my name is Ian and I have been living on this 1970s ketch for a very long time. You can consider me a dinosaur. And in this week's episode, I have been doing more maintenance to enable me to enjoy the boat. This is the pleasure and the pain. And if you are interested in joining me as crew, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. 50 knots of wind and a flipped dinghy. And that was full of rainwater. How the hell that's flipped, I don't know. That's just nuts. So let's take a closer look at some of these maintenance tasks. And before I go any further on this journey, this summer I have to paint the scuppers. This job has been waiting in the wings for a considerable length of time. The winter has been cold and wet and it has only made the situation worse. And as we all know, steel boats are maintenance heavy. It's important to stay on top of these tasks or it will get beyond repair and will need to be replaced. I'm currently using a combination of a needle gun and a chipping hammer. I want to remove as much of the flaky paint as is possible before treating it and then applying epoxy. Just taking out the old paint, taking up any rust that's in the way, and then giving it a lick of iron oxide paint. So let's get to it. As you can see, it's a time-consuming process. Patience is an absolute virtue if you own a steel yacht. And whilst I leave that layer of paint to dry, it's time to turn my attention to a leaking hatch. Now, this was put in Spain a few years ago when I replaced the clear acrylic for a smoked acrylic to reduce the heat in the cabins. Unfortunately, UV has taken its toll and the seal between the plexiglass and the aluminium frame is no longer good. Using a Stanley knife, I removed the last of the Sikaflex that's still forming a seal. That should now allow me to push the plastic out of the frame. There she goes. With the acrylic removed from the frame, it's now time to clean up the remainder of the Sikaflex. For the seal to be good, I need this to be as clean as possible. Easy. And the more time you spend cleaning these frames, the better the result. Get it back to a good aluminium finish, and the new Sikaflex, or in this case butyl, will bond far better with the surface of the plexiglass and the aluminium. I'm just using paint thinners to wipe this off to get rid of any oil, greasy residue. And the reason I'm using paint thinners is that it's actually quite hot. If I use acetone, acetone flashes off a lot quicker. Doesn't give me enough time to wipe this down because the rag just ends up dry. So, shit. That'd be an outtake. That would have gone through the hatch. Could you imagine? Well, let's go find some plastic. It just stays wet that little bit longer. If that was acetone, it'll just evaporate really quickly and then doesn't do anything. And I'm just cleaning the edges up. So this is the inside edge. I've only put it in the hatch frame just so that I can wipe it off. I've already done the other side. And I'm going to use butyl this time rather than Sikaflex. I did a test on the butterfly hatches a little while ago. So one of those butterfly hatches in the deck saloon has got butyl in it, the other's got Sikaflex in it. And the butyl's lasting longer as a seal than the Sikaflex has. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to try it with these, see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll have to do it again, but set up these. Nothing ventured, nothing lost. So the product I'm using here is butyl tape. Now butyl tape is used to form a flexible waterproof seal or barrier on a wide range of surfaces. Now that includes metal, glass, construction and automotive applications, which includes PVC. And having tested it in one of my other hatches, it works really well. The only downside is it remains tacky, so therefore things can and will stick to it. It also seems to expand in direct sunlight. And for the astute amongst you, you will notice that I've been using a plastic bin bag between the hatch frame and the hatch. This will catch any excess dust, dirt or silica or butyl before it lands on the cabin floor and creates a mess. Necessity. Necessity is the mother of all invention. And if this hatch is a success, then I'll be doing the others in the same fashion. The only thing I don't like about butyl is that it stays kind of sticky. And one of the biggest advantages of using butyl over Sikaflex is the cleanup process is so much easier. So with those jobs done, it's time to go sailing. Now Blown Away is currently in the Saronic Gulf, which is the area south of Athens and Piraeus. Quite a busy destination for charter boats, and I've never explored it that greatly. Last video was shot in Salamina and I am heading towards Aegina. And I'm stopping off in Aegina briefly to meet up with Tim and Jane, Griffin, who are friends and supporters. They're renting a catamaran for the week with some friends. Lovely to see you all, and enjoy your sailing around the area. And if you want any other information, just ping me a line. Bye. And I'm heading south because I was told there is an island called Moni which has deer and peacocks on there roaming wild.
You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through. And you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself. Fooling myself. You think you can talk sense to me, like we are gonna be okay. We're not okay. So is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my loved ones, but now I'm fed up. Gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so live along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. I never heard a silence so loud before. I'm gonna love every minute of it, every second of it. Longing for that sound of you being gone, so I can hear my thoughts again. Hear my thoughts again. So is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my loved ones, but now I'm fed up. Gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around.
Now this anchorage to the north of Noni is quite exposed. I would not want to stay here in any kind of weather, but to sit and watch the deer walking on the hill behind you, listening to the peacocks, was magical. But with some stronger winds in the forecast and my supplies running low, it's time to head off. Now I'm going to go further south towards Poros. But if you want to see Poros, you're going to have to join me again next week.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive.
Which brings me up to the supporters section. This is where I say a big thank you to everyone who's helped this channel. The McKenna family, David Luchford, Sailing with Andy, Graham Elvey from Kofi, thank you very much. And if you'd like to support the making of the video but not on a monthly commitment, you can do a one-off payment via Kofi. Just scan the code on the bottom right, just like these attractive people have done. Thank you very much. And unlike most YouTube channels, I am not big on social media. You will find us, however, on Facebook. And a big shout out to the patrons: Matt, Michael, Ian, Miles, Timmy, Jim Bracken, Johannes. Thank you for your monthly support. And good news, JG is also back into the Patreon supporters. Thank you. And if anyone would like to buy a shirt, I have some more left. Let me know in the comments down below. And to watch more videos, click the link on the left. To subscribe, which is for free, please click the link on the right. And as always, if you've got this far, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again next time.